Everybody says New York City is too expensive, and in a lot of ways, they're right. It's very expensive to live, it's very expensive to stay, but it isn't always expensive to eat. Let me show you. On May 21st, I turned 40, and my girlfriend said, what do you want to do? Where do you want to go? And I said, I'd love to go to New York City for the weekend. So we went, and we ate at a bunch of places in Chinatown, including Xi'an famous foods. You can see here, we got this spicy cumin lamb, hand-ripped noodles. It was $14.15, and look how big it was. We shared this bowl of noodles. It was $14, so around $7 per person if you break it down like that. We went to a takeout kind of looking place called Super Taste, and we got these Sichuan-style dumplings. It was 10 for $6.25. So again, for under $7, we were able to get all these dumplings from Super Taste. Look at all these dumplings for $6. Place was next level. I'm going to do my best. Shujiao Fuzhou Cuisine. It was packed. We had to stand online and moved very, very quick. Now, there were around 10 dumplings, this cucumber salad, and this peanut cold noodle. When we got it, what do you think it cost? While I'm talking, what do you think all this cost? Because when we got up to the front and we ordered, the cashier told us the total. I thought she said $25. And I was like, okay, that seems reasonable. I was handing her over $25. She goes, no. $12.25. Everybody knows New York City is known for their pizza. In my opinion, Scar's pizza is the best. And yeah, Scar's is a little bit more expensive. This slice of the pesto pizza and the pepperoni, they were $7 per slice. The Mike's Hot Honey Jalapeno Pepperoni Pizza was $7.50. So for these 3 slices of pizza, it was around $21.50, maybe a little more with tax. But again, these are pretty big. These are New York slices. So you cut that in half. I mean, we got a lot of pizza here and we shared it. The last place that we went to that was super, super affordable is Wafeng. It's one of my favorites. We waited online for about 40 minutes. I think it's worth it. You can see here, choice of roast pork or chicken on a small container is $5.75. It's cash only, under $6. You can't beat it. And the large is $8.50. Now, I asked Instagram in a story, what do you think it cost? $9, which is what it ended up costing with a Diet Coke, $17.50 or $12.75. And take a look at the results. Overwhelmingly, 580 people thought it was $17. 467 people thought it was $12.75. Only 391 guessed correctly. It was $9. And again, this was loaded with pork, and we were able to share this plate. It was $9. And of course, there are more expensive places that you can go. This is Hamburger America. That soda was $4.50. The fries were $4.50. Each burger was $12. Comes out to around $35 with tax. But on the plus side, the owner was there. You might know him. He's a pretty big deal in the world of hamburgers, and I got to take my photo with him, so that was pretty cool. We also stopped in at Bagel Works, which in my opinion is the best bagel in New York City and the best chicken salad maybe on planet Earth. And it was around $9 for this. This bagel was an absolute unit. It's the best chicken salad on earth. I know I already said that, but you got to repeat it. We also went to Joe's. You can get a slice for $4. This is what it looks like. Joe's is fine. Scar's is better. And yeah, there are some expensive places too, like Sumo Omakase. We got the omakase menu, which was $58 a person. So not really all that out of control. And it came with all of this stuff right here. We also ordered a little extra, so it did cost a little bit more. But look how good this looks. Look at all that caviar too. So you can get away with some pretty cheap eats in New York City if you know where to go. Oh, we also went into this grocery store in Chinatown. It's called Deluxe Food Market. And look at these prices. 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, $3.79. 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, $3.39. What are these prices? This is in New York City in Chinatown.